Hey guys, the last day of CES 2019, Tara and I met Eric, the founder and CEO of Swellpro, the world's best waterproof drone manufacturer based in Shenzhen, China.
It's the fourth generation. We call it Version 3 Plus. So we have a lot of new technology on the Version 3 Plus. First, let me introduce.
So energetic.
The color, the button color is great. It's great, and all the details is perfect. The Version 3 Plus. You play it, and the battery now can up to 23 to 25 minutes with the 3x gimbal. The Special 3 Plus is waterproof drone. It's a platform for different kind of application. It's used for fishing. It's used for filming. It comes with the world's only waterproof 3x gimbal, GC3. It comes this one, and it can fly up to 23 to 25 minutes with the 3x gimbal. And the perfect thing is that we have a patent feature that's on a remote controller. It's a Smooth Plus. We call it Smooth Plus feature. The special thing is that when you this is the switch, we turn down to switch into the real mode. So this is no more use.
Okay.
Then you can use the tune to do the fine tune. You can choose the speed from very little to very fast. It's the yellow. And you can also change the direction from here. It's the middle, and you change from here. It can be fast, very fast turn. And you can go back, slow, back up, slow. Then go back, change the direction. So it's perfect for filming. You can do that like this.
Okay.
And this one is another. So you can replace the horizontal fly. It's perfect for filming the bridge you want to film. Like this, the drone will slide.
Okay.
So when you do the combination, you can make a crazy different kind of filming like this or like this.
Sure.
Many kind of things.
Yeah, maybe follow a boat and fly a circle around the boat.
Yes.
Very cool.
And like you want to film a boat, because you can from this altitude you can fly up. And you can see that kind of way. Open your mind, you can film. You
Absolutely.
can find many ways to film it. And the other thing is that
I think it's time limited.
we just developed a new payload release, PR4, with
Okay.
low light recording ability. So even at night, dark night, you can film very bright video. This can be used for search and rescue. It can be used for fishing, night fishing. One of the best things is that we developed a new line voice. It's for search and rescue. People before they carry a ring for how to say?
A life vest.
Life vest. When in the ocean, it's too much ring, so it's you would make a drone is not really easy to control. Now we design a new one. It can be very detect to underneath on the drone. It can be very easy to deliver and drop to the.
So like if somebody fell off a cruise ship, the drone could fly out and drop that, and it will inflate when it hits the water.
Exactly.
That's genius.
So with the low light camera, so you can do it daytime and nighttime.
Okay. Very nice.
This is the Special 3 Plus.
The SP3 Splash Drone 3 Plus. SP3 Plus.
Yes.
Very cool. Very exciting. There it is. Just chilling in the water there. Very nice. New sensors. Excellent.
And we have another one. You know that?
the Spry, is it?
That's why.
Very cool. Yeah, I've seen that online. Yeah, that's a racing drone, right?
It's not a racing drone. It's a water sports drone.
Water sports drone.
Yes.
Okay.
Gimbal. 4K 6 gimbal.
Oh, that's nice. Free access.
Yeah, 4K 6X is perfect video now. It feels perfect.
Oh, really?
Very great video.
Okay.
And we have PO3. So PO2, that's a PO2 with majorly for fishing use. It's cheaper.
Okay.
People.
Gotcha.
And this one is a PO3. It's a 2.7K camera. Recordable.
Let me film you. Can I film you while you're doing
Yeah,
this?
sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Let me grab my camera.
It's the world's first and only waterproof sport drone. It comes with a dual GPS module inside the drone and the controller, and both the drone and the controller is waterproof.
Wow.
So we can fly up to 70 kilometers the speed, and with high speed follow me because the controller with GPS module. So you can put the remote controller on a jet ski, on a surfboard, or you carry it. You can do high speed following,
Oh, wow.
and also you can fly the drone, jump into the water, and fly up.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
You had some real fun with that one.
Yes, and
Very
also
cool.
imagine you are a surfer. You can bring the drone to surf,
Oh, wow.
and you can fly the drone, hit a big surf, and go up, and even cross the big wave.
That's very cool. That's an exciting drone you
Yeah,
have
you are
there.
on the water.
Wow. Underwater.
On the water.
On the water.
Like imagine you time, you just throw the drone and with no control there. Okay, I want to have a rest.